right.
Yeah, it's quite a big pack. These are the adults in the road here. So wild dogs, eh? Yeah. I want to keep on reversing. And them in the sun. Can everybody see them?
Oh yeah.
Waiting for something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll smell them now when they come past. They stink very much. They roll around in their own dung and stuff like that, you know. You smell that?
No. No.
No?
No.
How can you not smell that? They stink. Don't you smell it?
I don't.
Yeah, there it is.
Whoop, there it is.